Why am I even on Animal Jam when, like, I'm not even on Animal Jam? Wait, what? I thought I was not on Animal Jam. Okay, I'm a bit weirded out. But, hey guys, so, I told you guys that I was gonna make a video with my membership and all that. I already got the membership and I thought that I made the video, but I accidentally deleted the video and I was like, oh no. So, what I got from the membership is I got these rainbow things. I got this pet unicorn that I'm holding, and then I got all of these little statue things. Sorry, I can't trade right now. I'm doing a video. I don't know why I'm sneezing, but yeah, so today is gonna be another one of those videos where I think I'm actually gonna do a video where it's just like, this is my, like, this person I'm gonna name, like, this animal, this beautiful animal right here. If you guys still don't know what I'm talking about, this guy right here. Yeah, I think I'll name him Carl. It suits him a lot. Okay, so, yeah, that was weird. So, I think that, I could just be telling you guys what happened the other day, or I could just be decorating my den or something, but I don't know. Today I'm here with Carl, as you guys can probably tell. Carl, say hello. Carl, don't be bad boy, say hello. Hello, everybody. That is Carl's voice. Yay. Also, if you guys want me to do any skits, then I can. And I was supposed to share everything I got from the membership. I think that's all. And then I got the days, and I got, like, gems and stuff. And then, wait, say actually swirl. Oh my god, say actually swirl. Okay, I'm gonna actually count how many animals that AJHQ has because I am very curious to see. And then we'll do something funny because I don't like being non-funny for this long. Excuse me, Animal Jam? Did you just not accept my buddy request? How dare you? Wow, that's these are some beautiful animals that have no clothes on them. Wait, how many clothes do they have? I was gonna count. I mean, animals. They have 1, 2, 8, 12, 16. Oh my god. 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 39, 41, 42, 43, 44, 48. They have 48 animals. And I have I didn't know I had this much. Phew, if it's out of 1,000. Oh, good. Dropped my phone and it just fell. Okay. Do you guys dare me to call my friend and make her talk on this video to torture her? Yeah, I'm gonna do it. Okay, hold on a second. Which friend should I call? How about Lucy? Yeah, that's probably... No, I'm not actually gonna do that because I'll just mess it up. No, I'm just kidding. But... say hello. Say hello. I'm recording. I think she's glitching. Hold on a second. Say hello. I'm recording. Wait, hello? Huh? Huh. Oh, she said hello. So she just said, hey, thank you guys, and then I hung up for some reason. Goodbye. Okay, bye. Okay, I just hung up on her. And, cause I'm such nice of a friend. Such such generosity. Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna be this animal. Ew, it's so ugly. What the heck? Who made this look for me? Wait, I'm gonna play Animal. Oh my god, I'm playing Animal Jam with my finger. How? What? Like, I'm literally not even using the mouse. I'm using my finger to touch everything right now. Like, here, I'm gonna touch this, and I can't take it though. I can't move any dead items around. It's very annoying. Here we go. Okay, I just did all of that with my hand. That was like so much fun. Oh my god. Okay, so yeah. Oh, dang it. I switched to my animal that looks like this. Let me switch back to this one. Okay. Should this be my main look? Yeah, probably it should be. But, basically, this is all's made in one day, and I'm literally on my Animal Jam right now. Like, account. Just like, literally. Oh my god, ew. It's loaded. See, look, this is one of my videos. Yes, I'm talking. Me. The one. Oh, great. That was horrible. Okay, well, hopefully you guys enjoyed this super wacky and weird video. I love you all, my Sharkies. See you guys in the next video. Bye!